Hello everyone. Today we are going to do 8th standard maths, second chapter, parallel lines and transversal. Now we have almost finished the chapter 2.1, 2.2. Exercise has been done. The link has been given in the description box. You all can check it. Okay. So today we are going to do exercise 2.3, which is construction of parallel lines. Okay. So how to draw parallel lines? Using a set square. Now what does a set square means? This is a set square. Got it? In this, if you are able to see, this forms the 90-degree angle. This is known as a set square, which is forming a 90-degree angle. We have to use only this set square to draw a parallel line. Hope you understood which set square to use. Now starting with the exercise, first we will solve the solved example which has been given in the textbook. That is how to draw a parallel line L at a distance of 2.5 centimeters. Now for this we have to first draw a rough diagram. Means we have to draw a line parallel to line L. Means this is the line L, and we have to draw another line. This is the rough figure. We have to draw another line. We have to draw another line which is at a distance of 2.5 centimeter. Now how are we going to construct this parallel line? We have to study that. So it is very easy. You have to just keep few points in mind, which is very easy. Now first we have to draw a parallel line L. The first step is to draw a parallel line L. Suppose we take this line as parallel. No measures are to be taken. So you can take line L in this way. Got it? After that you have to take 2 points. That is A and B. So take point A over here. Roughly you can take point A and B anywhere you want. So I'll take A and B over here. Got it? Now from this point we have to draw this line that is supposed to be 2.5 centimeter. Got it? Now how are you going to draw it? See, you have to keep it in this way. Hope you are able to see. See, you have to place the set square in this way. Got it? And from here we have to take the measure as 2.5. Put a dot over here. Got it? From this point to this point the measure is going to be 2.5. Same in the same way, take the measure. This line should be straight. Got it? It should be straight in this way, and then 2.5 over here. Got it? So we will be getting 2 points. We will draw a parallel line in this way. Got it? You can construct it in the length of the line L. So we got our parallel line. The distance between the two parallel lines is, you can extend this line also. The distance between this two is 2.5. This is 2.5. This is also 2.5, and you can name these points as P and Q. Similarly, place P and Q over here also. Got it? It is very easy. Now, moving towards the second question from the exercise 2.3. Draw a line L. Take a point A outside the line. Through point A, draw a line parallel to line L. Now, we have to draw only two parallel lines, and we have to show one point over here. So no need of a rough diagram is needed over here. We can directly draw the fair figure. Take any measurement of line L. Okay, so you can mark this as line L. Then take another line. Take another line. Mark this as they haven't given, so we can, no, they have given A. Sorry, point A is the point over here. We can mark it over here, and this we can name as line M. Got it? So M was not given, we have drawn and we have named it on our own. Point A is the point outside the line on this parallel line. Got it? So this was the first question. The second question was, draw line L, take a point T outside the line, point P, through point T draw a parallel to line L. Now this also, in this measurements are not given, but we have to almost draw the same figure that we draw in this way. Got it? Measurements are not given. We have to take the measurements on our own in order to make the figure look exactly similar. So take a line which will be line L, line L. So we have to take 2 points first, that is M and A. M and N, you can take M and N. You can name it any which way you want. From this, what we have to draw, we have to take a point similar in this way, point similar to point M. So first place the set square, place the 90-degree angle over here. Suppose I take 4 centimeter, same length. You can keep it for N also. You have to keep it for N also, then only the lines are going to be parallel. So take 4 centimeter, then draw a line. Got it? From this to, we got a parallel line. Got it? So no measurements were given, so no need to write the measurements, but you have to draw the figure exactly in this way. So name it, we haven't named it, so we can name it point T and point Q. Got it? And this you have to mark it as 90 degree. I forgot to mention it over here. We have to show 90 degree because we are using a 90 degree set square. That is why we have to mark the 90 degree angle. Now moving towards the third question. This is the last question. Draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel. We have to draw M and N, two parallel lines, which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 centimeter from it. Got it? Now again we have to draw in same way. We have to take the measurements and then draw the parallel line. So first we have to draw the baseline. This is line M. Okay, so take any 2 points. I'll take over here and name it as A and B. How much distance we have to take? We have to take 4 centimeter. So again keep this set square in such a way that it is straight in this line and giving us the measure of 4 centimeter over here. Again keep it in this way. Got it? Once you get the point set, mark it. When you get the 2 points, draw a parallel line. You will get your distance, that is 4 centimeter. Mark these points. Draw a line in this way. You have to show arrow. A is already there. So P and Q you can mark. Mark this 90 degree. This is supposed to be 4 centimeter. This is supposed to be 4 centimeter. Got it? Hope you understood the concept of drawing parallel lines. If there are any queries, mention it in the comment box. I'll try to answer them. Thank you.